Alright guys, I have to say the best time I've had at the drag strip was at the Mod2Fame Fest. Man, they had a lot of exotic cars to race. I even got the opportunity to race the Lamborghini Huracan, owned by Mod2Fame. The vehicle that I was driving was Tunnel Chaser's Demon 1058. I kind of felt the car was hamstrung because it didn't have its front skinnies and it had full interior. He gave me the red key and I was willing to run it. Anyway, let's see how that goes.
Till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans and we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking when the new dropping. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten. No.
Oh, we have got company.
Betsy, Betsy, Betsy. That's your ruining date night! Turn up and swap!
Alright guys, on July the 21st, I'm going to be in Morocco, Indiana, in the Midwest at the YouTuber Speed Fest. I'm going to be there racing someone else's Dodge Demon. So if you want to come out and enjoy the festivities, make sure to set your calendar for that day. You know what I'm doing, snatch your soul. Peace. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.
Everybody been working, everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real.